Hey friends, today I'm sharing the unboxing and first impressions of the Nubia Red Magic Gaming Tablet Pro, also called the Nubia Red Magic Nova globally. It comes with a fast refresh rate display, the flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, amazing gaming features, and fast charging. Hey guys, this is Mikey from techmaiky. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon for more awesome tech videos. So, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box, you get some stickers, a user manual, and a charger with a data cable. Here is the 120-watt power adapter, which has a Type-C output, and just like OnePlus, you get a red Type-C to Type-C data cable. Now, let's peel off the plastic. This Red Magic gaming tablet comes with a 10.9-inch display. The size is a bit big for gaming, but the back of this tablet gives off a strong gaming vibe because of its unique design, which is very different from regular tablets. Even though it's a gaming tablet, it's still relatively lightweight. The tablet weighs around 536 grams and comes with a large 10,100 mAh battery. On the back, there's a strip with a gaming design, and the top has a camera module covered in glass, giving it a techie feel. In the camera module, there are two circles. One is the camera lens, and the other is a centrifugal fan, similar to what you see in Red Magic gaming phones. This high-speed fan also has RGB lights and helps with heat dissipation. Looking at the placements, on the top, you have the volume rocker, two microphones, and a magnetic area for the stylus. On the left, there's a power button with a built-in fingerprint scanner, and you'll also find speakers. At the bottom, there are more speakers, a microphone, and a Type-C port. There's also a magnetic port here. The screen size is 10.9 inches, so it can be directly compared to the iPad Air M2, which has an 11-inch display. However, both tablets have different lengths. The Red Magic Gaming Tablet Pro has a display with evenly sized bezels on all four sides. It comes with 16 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage. It's also the world's first gaming tablet powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 flagship processor with a high speed of 3.4 GHz. The tablet has a 10,100 mAh battery and a screen resolution of 2880 by 1080 pixels with a 16:10 aspect ratio. You can also customize the refresh rate with a maximum of 144 Hz for a smoother experience. This gaming tablet also features an X-axis linear motor and a quad speaker setup, giving you an amazing gaming experience. One of the most unique features is the centrifugal fan, which you can turn on or off, and you can also customize the RGB lights. The tablet also has a superb game center, which opens by swiping in the center of the screen. In the game center, you'll find many customization options to enhance your gaming experience. A unique feature is the AI triggers. For example, if you aim at a magazine and your gun is low on ammo, it will auto-reload with the trigger. The AI also helps with lifting problems. You can also set up a gaming pad and use VR or AR glasses. If you're a heavy gamer, this tablet is made for you. It has powerful hardware, but the software is even more impressive. You can also activate different modes, like distraction mode, which gives you maximum performance. For a detailed review, including gaming tests, temperature tests, performance tests, and the Antutu benchmark test, check out tomorrow's video. To see the full in-depth review of the Nubia Red Magic Gaming Tablet Pro, also known as Nubia Red Magic Nova, make sure to subscribe and join our tech team. Friends, let me know in the comments what you think about the design and features of the Red Magic Gaming Tablet Pro. See you in the next tech update. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and keep smiling.